The transition from academic theory to industry standard execution requires more than just knowledge. It demands hands-on precision. At the ZenV Innovation Hub, the engineering talent of tomorrow is bridging that gap today. Tasked with complex systems design, the CBIT Electronics and Communication Engineering cohort divided their focus into two critical technology sectors: RFID Systems and Unmanned Aerial Vehicles. For the RFID division, development was anchored in agile methodologies. From rigorous sprint planning to rapid prototyping, the team successfully architected and delivered a seamless proof of concept demonstration. Later, the team initiated the UAV project. Success in the skies begins on the ground, starting with strategic procurement and stringent component quality assurance. Guided by ZenV specialists, the team moved into hardware integration. Every connection, mount, and circuit was assembled with a focus on structural integrity and system reliability. With the chassis secured, the focus shifted to the digital architecture. Students executed comprehensive connection checks, sensor calibration, and custom firmware coding to bring the aircraft's logic board online. To mitigate risk and build operational competence, the pilots underwent rigorous virtual training, mastering flight dynamics in a simulated environment. The transition to physical flight began with controlled indoor testing. Through meticulous output validation, the team confirmed flight stability and system responsiveness. The final phase, outdoor full-capacity deployment. A seamless execution of hardware, software, and human ingenuity taking flight.
Currently, I am pursuing my BE third year in CBIT college. in EC department. During this internship, we did two projects: RFID attendance system project and RFID drone design. I refer ZenV because the students who are more enthusiastic about embedded systems, this is a good platform to learn the things, and you can not only based on projects. Here we can learn how a company actually works and how it deals the projects.
Hi, my name is Unmanned, and I'm currently studying third year in CBIT college, EC department. So we have done two projects in ZenV. The first one is the RFID, and second one is assembling of the drone. So the first RFID project is like attendance tracking system, which the students employees can track their attendance, and the logs will be entered on the website. And it is a smart attendance system that will be used in colleges, schools, etc. So mentor support was really good actually. So they have taught us the first basics. They have taught us. Then after they supported us when we faced in few errors. Like we can take this as an example. We don't know first what is this, and after that when you're facing the communication between the PN532 and the ESP, they guided us to learn how to make this work, and they teach us how to connect this to the PN532, and they give us the practical examples and practical teaching to us. So this will definitely act as a building block for me. So this is my first step to learn the practical knowledge for my placements. Like I can use this knowledge for my interviews and future projects also. So these internship will give me like a practical knowledge, a part of the theoretical knowledge that we'll get in our colleges. Like we don't know what is the communication protocols for now. We may learn in future, but we do not have any practical examples in our college also. We do not have any laboratories specialized for those communication protocols. Like here we have done multiple protocols, SPI, UART, like that. So this will definitely help us in future projects and future internships, and also maybe in placements. Definitely confidence has been boosted up very much. So for ZenV, before ZenV, there's so much difference. Even my team also. So we have worked as a team. Our team name is Team IQ. So IQ stands for Infinite Qualities. We have named that. So a part of this individual work, we have worked as a team, and each team has a team member taken as each role for this project and worked as a team. So communication skills also improved very much. And also there is a gap between, we all know there is a gap between the practical and theoretical knowledge that we'll get in the college. So this will improve our practical knowledge that we'll get in the exposure to the industry, and also how to be communicative in the company or a organization. So ZenV is a very good platform that we can use as a weapon to improvise our skills and communication with the organization. So I would refer who are enthusiastic and who are very good about exploring the domain of EC.
Hi all, my name is Praveen Sagar. I am pursuing my degree ECE in CBIT. As part of the internship which is proposed by the college, I joined ZenV just 1 month before. We worked for two nano projects, and now I am going to present you where these components present. These are the propellers, these are the motors, and this is the LiPo battery which used to power the whole drone. Before ZenV, I am very good at academics, but coming to ZenV, it helped me a lot so that I am good at industrial practical knowledge too, and which helped me to gain exposure on these projects like flight controller. I'm used to study that, but when working on that, it actually helped me to how to debug it, how to run the code in the VS. This is the best presentation I have ever delivered till now. I recommend every beginner to join ZenV.
I'm pursuing BTech in CBIT in ICE branch. A lot of difference. In college, I have learned only theoretical knowledge with limited practical skills. In ZenV, I have learned professional skills and practical knowledge, and how to approach a real-time problem, and how to solve a real-time problem. ZenV definitely 5 out of 5. Very helpful to progress our day by day work, to update our documentations and to update ourselves, freshers, to explore the practical knowledge and real time problems. I'll definitely recommend Zen.
To the engineers of CBIT and the global innovators of tomorrow, the sky is not the limit, it is the beginning.